The tension inside the Big Brother 27 house has reached a boiling point, and with the newest head of household stepping into power, the game has officially shifted. For weeks, fans have been speculating about where certain players truly stand, as alliances blur, side deals grow, and secret converse can spark endless theories on social media. Now, with the latest Ho win, the house is about to see one of its most unpredictable players finally take a side in the battle lines that have divided the season. This Ho reign is not just another week of nominations and strategy, it is the turning point that could decide which alliance truly controls the endgame. Since the start of Big Brother 27, viewers have witnessed one of the most chaotic seasons in recent memory. Early alliances collapsed quickly, showmanship created drama, and floaters managed to avoid the block longer than anyone expected. While some players have made bold moves and chosen sides with clarity, others have skillfully kept their options open. The newest Ho falls directly into the latter category, someone who has navigated the house by playing the middle, giving just enough loyalty to both sides to stay safe. But now, with the Ho key around their neck, that neutral strategy is no longer an option. In the Big Brother house, winning head of household is both a blessing and a curse. It grants safety, but it also forces a player to reveal their true allegiance. For weeks, fans on the live feeds have debated whether this house guest was truly aligned with the dominant alliance or secretly preparing tea. Oh flip, the Ho competitions have been critical in determining power this season, with each week sparking major shifts. But this particular victory carries a heavier weight. Not only is the newest Ho finally being pressured to make decisions, but their choices could also completely reconfigure the path to finale night. This is the moment when whispers in the hallway, late-night strategy sessions, and cryptic diary room confessions finally transform into action. Inside the house, players are already scrambling. Allies who once assumed loyalty are now nervous, while those on the opposite side see an opportunity to strike. The paranoia is intense as everyone waits for the first conversations between the Ho and their so-called closest allies. Fans watching the live feeds have noted that the Ho has been unusually quiet in the past week, perhaps intentionally avoiding big conversations until they secured safety. That silence has now become one of the biggest topics of discussion, with many wondering if it was all part of a calculated place. And the major alliances this season have been battling fiercely for dominance, with shifting loyalties and backstabbing making the lines blurrier than ever. On one side, we have the alliance that has controlled much of the mid-game with strong competition wins and tight voting blocks. On the other side, a smaller but scrappier group has been pushing back, relying on social maneuvering and unexpected deals. The newest Ho has managed to maintain relationships with both sides, often being included in strategy talks but rarely giving a definitive commitment. That dynamic has kept them off the block but also painted them as suspicious. Now that they are in power, the pressure to declare allegiance is unavoidable. For viewers, this Ho reign is especially exciting because it represents a narrative payoff. Fans love when a player who has floated or played neutral finally takes a bold stance. It transforms the storyline of the season and re-energizes the gameplay. Social media reactions exploded the moment the Ho win was confirmed, with hashtags trending and fans debating predictions about who will be nominated. Some are convinced that the Ho will side with the majority alliance to secure numbers, while others believe this is the perfect opportunity for a shocking flip that could blindside the house. The diary room segments, which fans will see on the next episode, will be crucial in revealing what has been going through the HOH's mind. If past behavior is any indication, this house guest has been carefully weighing long-term strategy rather than making impulsive decisions. However, the Big Brother house is notorious for changing minds at the last minute, especially under the pressure of alliances, promises, and threats. Already, multiple house guests are lining up outside the Ho room, eager to pitch their cases and secure safety. The drama promises to be explosive. One of the most important factors in this Ho reign is jury management. With the season in its later stages, every move counts not just for survival but also for how players will be perceived by those already evicted. The newest Ho must balance the immediate need to take control with the long-term goal of earning jury votes. If they are seen as betraying allies too harshly, it could come back to haunt them in the finale. Conversely, if they play too safe, they risk being labeled a floater who never made bold moves. This is the fine line that makes Big Brother such a fascinating game of social strategy and psychological warfare. The house dynamics this week are already shifting rapidly. Live feed watchers report that conversations in the kitchen and backyard have grown tense, with players subtly trying to gauge where the HOH's head is at. Some house guests are making emotional appeals, while others are promising loyalty and deals that stretch beyond just this week. The Ho is now at the center of it all, forced to navigate the chaos while keeping their true intentions hidden until nomination day. From a game theory perspective, this is the week when neutrality ends. The Ho can either secure their spot in the dominant alliance and ride the numbers to the final stretch, or they can take a risk and flip, potentially creating a new power structure that changes the course of the game. Both options come with risks. Aligning with the majority could mean becoming the low man on the totem pole, eventually expendable once the alliance turns on itself. Flipping could mean immediate backlash and a target on their back as soon as they are no longer safe. The weight of this decision is immense, and it is why fans are glued to the feeds and waiting anxiously for the episode to air. For casual viewers who tune in for the episodes rather than the feeds, this week's broadcast will be one of the season's most pivotal moments. The build-up, the suspense, and the diary room insights will all highlight just how significant this Ho reign is. Producers are sure to craft the narrative as a which side will they choose storyline, and fans love nothing more than a big reveal. The tension in the edit will likely mirror what live feed watchers already know. The entire season's trajectory hinges on these nominations. As we look ahead, the key questions remain. Will the newest Ho remain loyal to the dominant alliance that has carried them this far, or will they shock the house and align with the underdogs? Who will be nominated, and how will the veto competition further complicate the week? Most importantly, how will the jury view this HOH's decisions when the time comes to crown a winner? Big Brother is a game defined by timing, and for this Ho, the time to make a defining move has arrived. Their strategy of playing the middle has served them well, but the game is entering its final chapters, and the middle ground is disappearing. Every decision is magnified, every alliance tested, and every eviction critical. This Ho reign is not just another week of gameplay, it is the moment when a once neutral player chooses their path to the end. Fans will be watching closely, house guests will be scrambling desperately, and one decision will ripple through the game for the rest of the season. Big Brother 27 has delivered drama, blindsides, and power shifts, but this latest development could be the most consequential yet. With the newest head of household finally picking a side, the season has reached a point of no return. Whether it results in shocking nominations, explosive fights, or unexpected deals, one thing is certain, the game will never be the same after this week. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.